Hi there. In this video, I want to talk to you about the three major reasons why funding applications fail. So let's get straight into it. Hi everyone, this is Bumi here. If you've been applying for funding and not getting the results you want, this video will help you understand exactly why most applications fail and what you can do about it. We've got the top three reasons and another bonus reason that most people never even think about. The number one reason is that people don't read the funding guidance properly. This here is the one reason why many applications get rejected. Funders tell you exactly what they want to fund and what they won't fund in the guidance. But many people, they skim past the document, they rush to the answers, and end up writing things that don't align with the funder's priority. So that is number one. Now, the question is, when your answers don't match their criteria, the funder has no choice but to reject your application, even if your project is a great one. Guess how you fix this? Before you write anything, you need to read the guidance slowly, underlining the key priorities and making sure that every answer points back to what they want to achieve. That's number one. Number two reason is that the funders have run out of money. Yes, believe it or not, funders do run out of money. This is one surprising reason that a lot of people don't even consider. Sometimes your application is strong, your project is clear, your budget is reasonable, everything is all good, but the funder's pot is simply oversubscribed and the money has run out. Once the money is finished, it's all finished and there's nothing that you can do about it. So how can you fix this? If there's a way you can. Don't take rejection personally. And if the fund is a good fit, you need to make sure that you reapply in the next round because persistence is part of the strategy. And we're going to talk about that also later on. The third reason why most funding applications get rejected is because people are talking too much about their own organization. People think it's all about them. No, really, it's not about you. It's about the funder. It's about the person who has the money. This is a big one because many applications sound like the organization is begging or demanding something. You know, we've done this, we need that, we deserve to get the money here and there, and all those kind of things sometimes doesn't work. But the funders are not funding you. They are funding their own mission. And they want to know how your projects help them achieve their own objectives. So if your focus is too much on yourself, the application will lose its alignment. So how do you fix this? Well, you need to shift the spotlight. You need to focus on the challenges you will solve. You need to focus on the change that you are going to bring about. You need to focus on being clear about your outcomes, being clear about the impact you're going to make, and being clear about how your project is directly linked to the funder's priorities. So make the funder the hero. Show them how you are helping them achieve their own vision. And now, here's a bonus reason. Competition from other non-for-profits like you. Wow, this is huge. Even if your application is good, even if your project fits perfectly, even if your budget is right, you are still competing with hundreds of other organizations like yourself. So, some will have longer track records, some will have stronger evidence, some will have more volunteers, some have even better stories, if I can say so, and some would simply have more experience applying for funding than you have. So competition is intense, especially when you are applying to popular funding pots like the lottery fund in the UK, for example. Now, here's the deal. You need to stand out by demonstrating the following things. strong community involvement, real evidence of previous impact. You need to demonstrate that you're offering excellent value for money, that your project is tightly aligned with the funder's priorities. We said that a few times, so it's worth saying it again. And that you have testimonials, case studies, and lived experiences that provide you with a lot of insight. So these elements will move you from one of the many to becoming one of the best. So here's the deal. So here we are. You've got the most common reasons why applications fail. Not reading the guidance properly, the funders running out of money, or you're too focused on your own organization. And the big one, the bonus one, is that there is real competition from other non-for-profits. So once you can understand these four aspects and you take action to mitigate them, or the risks of getting your application rejected, then your chances of success will increase immediately. I'm talking about increase of your chances of success. We are now running what's called a funding success club. And if you want help writing funder ready applications every single month, you can join us from the 26th of November as we launch the Funding Success Club. And guess what? If you're attending the Eventbrite event, or you might even get a notification in your email, the first month is £1. Guess what? That is a no-brainer for you to at least try it out and see. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.